Hello everybody! Today we will take a look at RC drift cars that are perfect for beginners and that are also cheap. Let's start things off with these RC drift cars from WLtoys. Apparently, it comes in 4 different designs, but the last time I checked, there was only one left in stock and there wasn't an option to choose which one you're ordering. So it's kind of like a game of roulette as to which car you'll get, I guess. And it comes with a 2.4 GHz controller so that you can control multiple cars at the same time. But since there's only one left to order, well, let's just say you won't have to worry about interferences. They sure look fun though, and boy can they drift. These cars are rated 4 stars at the moment and they cost just under $25 each. But there's only one left, so yeah, $25 for just the one. Until restock, that is. This GoolRC car is so cool you can drive it with a real stick shift. And it will drift like so. Look at that stick shift action. If you shift in that pattern, the car will fly, just like this, and it will probably break. Shift the stick like so, and the car drifts in place like this. Shift pattern will give you this drift trick. Wow, this guy really wants to break his gearbox. This never gets old. Okay, this guy watched too much Initial D. He really did. Yet another one. And at the end of the day, the car probably died. It costs almost $70 and is rated 4 stars at the moment. This RC truck is the most expensive in today's video at just under $100, but that's still relatively inexpensive, so it makes the list. It's also the biggest one at a 1:16 scale. Alright, let me see you drift. There you go. By the way, you're supposed to buy 2. That's the subliminal message the video is trying to send. It's getting a whopping 4.5 stars, so it sure shows a lot of promise. Unless the reviews are bought and pumped, then shame on them. But let's give them the benefit of the doubt, shall we? Finally, we have the VOLANTEXRC. Who came up with this brand name anyway? It's so hard to read. I'm not even sure it's read VOLANTEXRC. Does anybody know how to read it for sure? Please leave a comment below. It comes in at just under $50, but it's only getting 3.5 stars, which personally is in my doubtful zone. But if you feel like taking a little bet with $50, you can go for it and hope it will be a good bet. Or keep your money and go for the first car, which is only $25. So for $50, you actually will get 2. But then the seller of the first car has only one left in stock. So wow, what a dilemma here. These cars does have LED lights and the wheels lights up though, so that's something. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more entertaining hobby videos. Thank you!